This fly pattern is my secret weapon when it comes to imitating midges. To start, we'll secure some black thread to our hook shank and grab some peacock herl. Select a single strand using your fingernails to strip off any fibers, leaving you with the quill underneath. Secure the strip quill to the hook shank and wrap well into the bend of the hook. Reverse your thread direction and finish around the hook point. We'll then grab our quill and carefully begin to wrap this in close touching spirals towards our thread. At which point we'll secure and snip the excess free. We'll then add some UV resin over our quill. This will not only add shine, but also increase the durability of the highly delicate quill. Once happy, secure with a UV light and grab some CDC. This maroon color works exceptionally well in my waters. Secure to the top of your fly using a pinch wrap and wrap it back slightly on top of your quill. Once complete, grab some dubbing. Here I'm using a light tan. Create a sparse dubbing noodle and begin to dub your body, tightening and removing or adding material as needed. Once complete, brush it out to give it a nice, buggy look, being careful not to break your CDC feather. Once happy, we'll fold over our feather and secure it just behind the hook eye. Snip the excess free, folding everything back and whip finishing just behind the hook eye. And this is the Smokejumper. I like to use this pattern to imitate small midges, typically tying it behind a clink hammer or a parachute Adams. If you'd like to win this fly, comment #flytying in the comments below. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.